Hello everyone, my name is Jay Washington and I'm a cranioprosthetic specialist. So I'm sure you're wondering, what is a cranioprosthetic specialist? It's a really fancy medical term to say that I can provide medical wigs. Literally, that's all it means. The Chic Studio was created for women who are experiencing hair loss due to a medical condition. Here we provide medical wigs that are covered by military and insurance benefits. Some of the things we'll be covering is what is a medical wig, who qualifies for a medical wig, delving into so that way you can understand your military and or your insurance benefits, education of the maintenance on the unit, the different types of lace that are available to you, and then of course some behind the scenes on what it looks like to actually run this business. What makes me unique in what it is that I do and who it is that I service is the fact that I myself have experienced hair loss. Hair loss is different for everyone, and the way that it affects you is different, whether it's emotionally, mentally, physically. Your life changes. Your level of normalcy is different. And I never realized how much of my confidence lied within the hair that was on my head. So I went from wearing wigs as a fashion statement, or because I liked them, they were cool, they were fun, I could change my hair all the time, to being forced to wear them because I was not comfortable with the way that my hair looked. My hair loss stemmed from being iron deficient, and when you're long-term iron deficient, hair loss is a side effect. So that's how I found out that I was iron deficient. Here we are, 2 years later, and my hair has, started this phase where it's growing back, but it's not the way that it used to be. And I'm not sure if it ever will be the way that it used to be. But I have found solace in having wigs available to me, still being to express myself through my hair on some level. This is a little more difficult than I thought it would be. It's a little more emotional than I thought it would be. But that's okay, that's why we're here. This, what you see in front of you, is what makes me good at what I do. It's what makes me great at what I do. Being able to understand my clients on an emotional level, being able to see them just adds a layer that's priceless. When going through hair loss, I found that there was no support group. I found that there was not a lot of information, or maybe I was not looking in the right places. I will throw that out there. There's a possibility that I was not looking in the right places for the right information or for the answers that I was looking for. So I became the solution. And that's why I got the certification. That's why I became a cranioprosthetic specialist. And that's how the Chic Studio was created.
I think it's time we go take a look inside. We're located on the corner of High Point and Rockbridge, inside of the Hive. Our lobby exhibits a beautiful mural that goes along with the ambiance at the Hive of being a quiet, quaint place. Heading up the stairs to find Studio 7, you'll notice our frosted privacy window. Inside, we've taken a minimalist approach. Our clients often tell us that it's comfy, cozy, very homey, and most of all, they love the couch.
I want you to know that you are welcome, you are seen, and I hope that you will subscribe to see me in my next video.